Time for a cigarette. I almost did it actually. Yeah. Let's see, where am I now? Alright, from back, nothing to see from back. It's done since I was inside of the engine room. I was looking for the oxygen sensors, I didn't find them. I don't know where they put it, the guys. They have to find it and put it on. From back here we are okay. This need to be routed front. It has to come like that actually. Alright. From this side, water pump I already installed it earlier. Alternator, AC compressor and the bracket back in place, bolted down. From this side, intake manifold back in place. Everything's been routed properly, the fuel lines inside, the thermostat. I put all the clamps, yeah, right? Yeah, I didn't forget something? No, I didn't. Okay. Oil filter housing with engine oil cooler, the switch, the pump. Okay, plugs being connected, everything. The bracket being bolted down, alright. The charge pipe with the throttle. Now, from this side, pretty much complete. The guys, they have to open these two 10mm nuts to be able to insert the transmission inside. The wiring, they have to remove the bracket also from here and pull the wiring this way to have a clear, to have an access here. Till now I don't know where it's going this. We're gonna see about that when it comes to time. Okay, then this need to go away. It doesn't have to be here anymore. Why it doesn't have to be here? Because this is a boost solenoid and this long pipe, this was going to the actuator. Before original, it comes to the wastegate actuator, alright? But now, instead of having this boost solenoid, we have this boost solenoid with a long cable. So this, it has to come here. It's supposed to be the right plug. Take a look with one hand, take a look. Alright, yeah, sideways, tell me about it. Alright, this comes like that, no need to put now inside. But, there is a but. I have to block this, otherwise you're gonna lose all the vacuum. Because if you see here where it's going, this is the vacuum feed on the boost solenoid, or the original boost solenoid. So I need to remove this out and block this pipe to don't losing vacuum, because you see here's the vacuum pump, this is for the brake booster that comes here, has also map sensor on it. There is not only for the brake booster that you're not gonna have a brake, you're gonna be very hot, but the same vacuum line, if you follow it up, it continues here on the solenoid for the water pump, alright? And it's continuing also for the solenoid of the actuator here for the runners that has inside the intake manifold. I forget what I want to say for the intake manifold. No worries. Some other day. Alright. What else? Nothing else. That's what I'm gonna do now. This I'm gonna give it back to the customer. Separating it here. It's only on vacuum. You don't have to come crazy here. You just put one bolt, M6 bolt inside, and it's fine. It's sucking all the time. It does have a boost from this point of view. That's it pretty much. What's remaining for me? Now it's up to the guys, alright? I didn't found like I said, the oxygen sensor, so I didn't found the bracket here, the engine mount bracket that comes here at this point. By the way, the oil dipstick, yeah, I put it properly. Yep, it's okay, it's good. One solenoid that comes here, and that's the plug for the solenoid. I don't know, maybe they leave it on the car, probably. The cover, it's not here, but it's not now the time, obviously. From up I have finished everything. Ignition coils, the actuators for the variable lift, cam position sensors, the rest are all okay. This solenoid that comes to the PCV on this point, I don't know where it is. Here, you need to uncover this. I just block it, don't feel anything inside. This for the diverted valve. It has to go to the air box, to the colder intake, whatever has there. Fine. I put the rubber for the cover. It's one is here, another one is here, the other one is here. And from this side, it's here. The other one's here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, excellent. Looking good, looking good. Nothing more, nothing less. What's remaining for me? Just give me a second. Let me remove this one and plug it in to finish here. I don't have to come here again. All right. From this side, when we're gonna merge the transmission, we're gonna have some brackets and the transfer case, for the rear diff and the shafts that are coming out. But this is later, not now. Still didn't put this clamp. I didn't put it in place, obviously, because I need to remove the bracket to be able to insert the transmission inside. Fine. All the other plugs are in place. Whatever I put on the engine, it's properly installed. There's nothing to do the guys from their side on the engine other than connecting, let us say, the coolant pipes, electrical connectors, and this kind of stuff. Alright, belt back in place. Belt is in good condition. I don't see any problem. I don't see any crack in or out. I don't have a reason to don't use it again, right? Charge pipe, this is not been torqued down. I remember that. I haven't torqued it down. This has been torqued down. Let me do now these two things. Let me torque down this clamp here, or let them massage it a little bit. It might need some massage to align properly. That's why most probably I didn't torque it down this. So solenoid, boost solenoid. Give me a second. Down from the boost solenoid. I just put it here like that. I put one small zip tie, cable tie, call it as you like, tie it up. One here just in case. One here. Don't hit the cover, let us say. Alright. Looking good, looking good. I will gonna support the cable later on, not now. Not now. Most probably it's gonna be routed like this. To be from the cold side, one cable tied here and then pass the wiring from down. You're not gonna bother anybody there, right? And if they want to open it, they can just cut the cable tie from here and then you can open the inlet, right? Why not? Yep, that's what I'm gonna do also with that to finish. Second, finish also with the cable. It's routed like this, alright? One cable tied here, then it's far away from the ignition coil, so don't bother. Just in case that if you change, let us say, the spark plugs later on, to don't close it inside. It's far away from the point where it's coming the cover, so don't squeeze it down. Another one cable tied here, then it goes here where is the fuel injectors. It comes from this side and sending up here with another one cable tied, 3 in total only, on the plug, on the original plug. So if you're looking, let us say, for the boost solenoid, you just have to follow the cable and that's it. So that's it from my side. Next video with the transmission. Yep, the transmission, let's go 1 second inside. Like I said, the transmission is over there. I need to get it out. I need another one guy. I don't want to have a problem with my back, you know. And that's what's remaining, what I have inside. The clutches, the filter, the washers, and the seal, the main seal front. So I'm gonna finish also from the clutches. I'm gonna make a different video for the clutches. And when we have here the car and the engine with the transmission is together and we are ready to install it, to put it up, then we're gonna make another video. That's it for now. For the clutch, it's not gonna be a huge video. It's something fast, it's something easy, one measurement only, and boom, everybody happy. So that's it. Yes, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Did I forget something? Let me go again out, just in case. Let me go out again. The old parts are over there for the customer. These boxes need to take care of the guys. That's the old engine block here. Alright. I'm not forgetting something. I have already checked it again. Yeah, the knock sensor's been connected. Alright. Cables and pipes been properly routed. Gaskets been replaced. Throttle, it's been torqued down with a charge pipe as a sandwich. Fine. Nuts and this kind of stuff, it's fine. The fuel line, I already torqued it down because before I leave it open, I didn't tie it before. That's what I'm saying. The oil level sensor has been connected, the AC compressor has been connected, alternator has been connected, right? Oil pressure sensor here has been connected. The temperature sensor on the cylinder head, it's been connected. It's down there inside. High pressure fuel injectors, solenoid, high pressure pump, the switch. Alright, the crankshaft position sensor has been connected. Throttle, map, diverted valve, Okay, hi man. Solenoid's missing from here, ignition coils, the ground down there, the actuators, like I said before. Alright, this is a bleeding pipe. Alright, forget about that for now. Coolant temperature sensor here, connected. The sensor for here, it's being connected. No, you see, it's not being connected here, the sensor. See down there? I didn't connect it. Yay! Oh, it's open. We're gonna have a fault because of this stupid thing. And when it's in the car, good luck. Let me leave the mobile and put it in place, and I'm gonna start again. Okay, let's watch that again. Yep, it's in place. Splendid. That's why you double check and triple check. And then I'm gonna suggest to the guys to have their eyes open and watch everything, just in case. Just in case. We are humans after all, right? Alright, we are looking good. We are looking good. It's not about, okay, even if you forget something and you don't plug something, worst case scenario, you're gonna have a fault. The worst case scenario is gonna be that you're gonna struggling inside the engine bay. Now that you have it out, it's much easier and much better to check the coolant hoses that you secure it properly, that you put all the plugs in place, and everything is fine. Fuel lines, like I said, this kind of stuff. This clip I didn't put back again in place for the cable. I'm talking about the cable for the crank position sensor. This we're gonna put at the end. There, that's the position. Later on, not now. Even if I want to reach there, I don't think so that I can reach right now. No. Later. That's it. Like I said, you're gonna watch again. You're gonna see the transmission. That is gonna be a short video, like I said, for the transmission, and then next video is gonna be all together before they enter in the car. Need to prepare also the car. The guys need to wash the inside to see how it's gonna looks like. The car currently is with the customer. It's not here with us. Fine. That's it. Finish. Moving on. Thank you very much.